Hi everyone and welcome back. Let's make some banana fritters, also known as Gulgula. You can either make these with banana, plantains or muku, and they need to be extra ripe so it's extra sweet and delicious. So to get started with this recipe, I already have my overripe bananas mashed and in my bowl. To that, I'm going to go in with cake spice. This cake spice has all of the flavorings you would need to flavor your mixture. Next, we're going to go in with some mixed essence. In goes in salt and sugar. Now the sugar, you can put as much or as little as you want. So if your bananas are very sweet, you add less sugar or no sugar at all. Give that a mix and allow all of those spices to be incorporated into the banana. Now we're going to be adding in our flour. So I'm adding in my flour, and when I add in the flour, I forgot to put the baking powder. So I started to mix it and then I remembered my baking powder. So even I have little hiccups when I'm doing a video. So I'm going to add in my baking powder now. Before I was finished, you can add it in if you forgot, it's okay. And I'm going to continue to mix that until it's all incorporated and it comes together. Now the consistency that you're going for is more of a thick cake batter. It's not going to be very runny like pancake. It's more thicker like cake batter. So this is what it should look like. And all you have to do is use a spoon or a cookie scoop and pick up a portion of your batter and drop it into your medium to low oil. You don't want your oil to be screaming, or else it will burn on the outside and not cook on the inside. So if medium to low is still too hot, drop your temperature to low. And you're going to allow these to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And you'll notice they'll start flipping on their own. The ones that don't flip, you can help them by just giving them a little nudge. You want these to cook until they're golden brown. They're going to be slightly crunchy on the outside and nice and pillowy soft on the inside. So once they're golden brown, you're going to take them out, drain out that oil on some paper towels before you serve it. You can serve these hot or at room temperature. And I like to dust a little bit of powdered sugar, which is totally optional. And that's it. Let me break into one so you guys can see just how amazing it looks on the inside. Crunchy on the outside and nice and pillowy soft on the inside, with those specks of banana speckled in there. How amazing does this look? It's one of my favorite desserts to make. It's easy, simple, and it's very cheap. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Do comment, let me know down below what you think. Remember, you can make it with ripe plantains or ripe muku. Thank you all again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.